Hey lads, TechScanning here. So alongside Oppo's sub-brand that is busy in its first ever foldable, the OnePlus V Fold, now we are also started getting information on Oppo's upcoming book-style foldable, the Oppo Find N3. So earlier, we got what seems to be the sketch of the Oppo Find N3 revealing the design language of the handset, and that it will have a taller aspect compared to its predecessor. Further, it is said to have an 8 inches foldable display that is considerably bigger than the 7.1 inches of Find N2. Now, a Weibo leaker shared some fresh information on Oppo's upcoming Oppo Find N3. So as per the report, the Oppo Find N3 will bring back the wireless charging port that was removed from the last year's model. Also, the Oppo Find N3 is said to have a top-notch camera setup, probably the best on any foldable that we have seen so far. Unfortunately, the report doesn't reveal any numbers. However, earlier some tipsters claimed that the Find N3 will borrow the cameras from the Oppo Find X6. So the Find N3 will feature the 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 as the main sensor. It is also the same sensor as we seen on the OnePlus 11, and we know that it does an amazing job. For the other sensors, there will be a 48-megapixel ultra-wide and a 32-megapixel periscope zoom lens. Because of the partnership between Oppo and OnePlus, the Oppo Find N3 will be the rebranded version of the OnePlus V Fold. So we won't be surprised to see the same camera setup on both foldable phones. And most likely there will be the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powering the Find N3. Anyway, we are likely to hear more concrete information soon in the future. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.